Shall we begin?
Hey my lovelies, and welcome back, or welcome if it's your very first time. In today's video I'm going to show you how to wear my hip pads for the very first time. I will also show you how to store the hip pads to make sure that they are perfectly fitted to you. We're going to take the hip pads that are super stiff and make sure that they are perfectly fitted to your body, darling. Just like my previous hip pads that you've seen me put on in previous tutorials. First, we're going to need an old pair of tights, and we're going to take them up to the knee, pulling them really tight to the knee. When they're at the knee, we're going to take our first hip pad, place it on and around our leg, and try our hardest to get them pair of tights up and around that hip pad. You want the actual rim, the belt part of the tights to go all the way up and over the hip pad. And you want to make sure that the leg part is perfectly fitted to your leg. With the second one, we're going to hoik down after definitely making sure that bit is over the top of the hip pad. And we're going to place on the second pad. They're really difficult to do, but you've just got to be really gentle, take your time, and you will get there. Fit it to the leg, keep pulling the tights up and up and up. Keep squeezing those tights and squeezing those pads until you get them both level together. It really does take some work, but you will get there with them. Just keep trying, keep doing it, and eventually they'll find their way together. And what you'll be able to do is you'll actually be able to cross the pads at the front, and you won't actually have to tuck. It will completely cover anything that you've got down there, and it will give you a nice little bum. So then what you want to do is go in with a pair of Spanx. You can get longer leg ones, which I would invest in the future, which I will be investing in the future. Start with those, get those on. That will start to give that shape. At first they are going to be a little bit bumpy and lumpy here. It takes a few wears to get these pads to really bed in and become your pads and fitted to your body. Keep going then with pair upon pair upon pair of tights. And you notice the cat keeps popping in and saying hello. So I think in this video maybe I'll wear like 5-6 pairs of tights to try and show these for you. You just have to keep going and going and going. Also in this video I will be showing you how to take them off and store them. So stay with us in the video for me to show you doing that. And here I go with another pair of tights. I finish off with a pair of fishnets. I feel like this makes them look the best. It smooths everything out and hides a few more lumps and bumps. Now for the removal and storage. Make sure you remove the tights in pairs of 2 until you get down to the last pair of tights before the Spanx. Remove everything together and store them like this, ensuring everything is smoothed out down the leg. This is very important for getting the pads to fit to you. And here she is, looking fantastic in her new pads. What a great butt, what great hips, fantastic. Thanks for watching. Hopefully Boo Boo will see you soon.